Phrasal verb power. Transitive and intransitive explained. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting corner of English grammar, phrasal verbs. But we won't stop there. We're going to take a closer look at transitive and intransitive phrasal verbs. Sounds thrilling, right? Don't worry if these terms seem a bit intimidating now. By the end of this video, you'll be well equipped to understand, identify, and use these kinds of verbs confidently. First off, let's quickly revisit what a phrasal verb is. A phrasal verb is a verb that is made up of a main verb combined with an adverb or a preposition, or sometimes both. Phrasal verbs often take on entirely new meanings when these words are paired together, which can be a tricky thing for English learners. Examples include give up, meaning to quit, look after, meaning to take care of, and come up with, meaning to think of. Now, let's get to the heart of our topic. The first category we'll explore is transitive phrasal verbs. Transitive verbs are verbs that require an object to complete their meaning. When we say object, it's usually the receiver of the action. For instance, in the sentence, I turned off the lights, turned off is a transitive phrasal verb, and the lights is its object. Let's see a few more examples. Can you pick up the groceries? The groceries is the object. I put off the meeting. The meeting is the object. Moving on to intransitive phrasal verbs, these are verbs that do not require an object to complete their meaning. They are complete on their own. For example, in the sentence, he woke up is an intransitive phrasal verb. There's no object needed. The verb stands perfectly complete by itself. Here are a few more examples for better understanding. The balloon went up. No object necessary. Time is running out. No object necessary. Now, how do you remember which is which? Here's a simple trick. Remember that transitive verbs transfer their action to an object. Both start with trans, making it easier to recall. On the other hand, intransitive verbs are intact. They do not need an object to make sense. And there you have it. By now, you should be feeling a lot more confident about transitive and intransitive phrasal verbs. Keep practicing, and soon these concepts will become second nature to you. Don't forget to apply these in your daily English conversations. Thanks for watching, and remember, learning English is a journey, and every step, no matter how small, counts.